Now the easiest way to do 13 is the addition method, because if you notice that these are lined up as x squareds and y squareds, what I would do is multiply the first one by 2 and then add. Because it's set up beautifully that way, because that's a negative 2y squared. That would become 2y squared. It would add to 0. So 4x squared plus 2y squared equals 34. So 2, 2, 2. 3x squared minus 2y squared equals negative 6. Y squareds drop. 7y squared equals 28. Or 7x squared equals 28. I don't know where the y came from. X squared equals 4. X equals plus or minus 2. So what do I know? Doesn't matter which one I use. I've got x, so 6 of one, half dozen the other. So 2x squared plus y squared equals 17. If x equals 2, 2 times 2 squared plus y squared equals 17. That's 4 times 2 is 8, plus y squared equals 17. Y squared equals 9. Take the square root of both sides. Y is plus or minus 3. So I have a solution of 2 plus or minus 3. And if x equals negative 2, then I'd have 2 times, I'll have the same numbers, because when I square negative 2, I'll get a positive 4. So that 8 plus y squared equals 17. Y squared equals 9. Y equals plus or minus 3. So it's going to be negative 2 plus or minus 3. There's no shortcut way to writing these two. This would be incorrect, because I don't know what the combinations are. So it's far better to do it this way. This way you have a distinct x or y, and then the others are there. Now you could have done this using substitution too. It's a little messier. I'd solve this guy for y squared. And that's 2x squared. Then that replaces this y squared. Y squared. And y squared is 17 minus 2x squared. And you'll end up in the same place, because this then says 3x squared plus, as you can see, it's a little bit more cumbersome, 34 minus 4x squared equals negative 6. Minus x squared plus 34 equals negative 6. Now I've got a sign there. And it's right here. I didn't cross-check it when I rewrote it. When you do that kind of thing, cross-check your signs. And that's what happens when you don't cross-check. So this is going to be a minus 34. And so this is now going to be a plus. So I'm going to get my 7x squared out of here. And this is going to be a minus 34. Right. So when I add 34, I get 7x squared equals 28, and x squared equals 4. So x is plus or minus 2. So I end up in the same place. But you just need to be careful. What I did was when I took this guy, rewrote him down here, I changed that sign. And that's so easy to do. That's why you need to include all your work. So I have something to go by.